Well, hello everyone, and thank you for tuning into my channel. So, as from the description, you guys know that I am going to give you a house tour. So, this is my first house, and I'm so excited. And this is the view from outside, and it's dark, I know, because it's night. So, I'm gonna insert a clip of daytime, but as of now, let's just go inside. So as you open the door, you land into the living room directly. This is a open kitchen plan, and so everything is under one roof. There's the kitchen, dining area, and living room. So let's begin. Okay, here is the coat closet, and oh my god, it looks so empty. Right now it's so full and so messy that I don't even want to show you guys how it looks now. We bought this house 6 months ago, and I filmed this video when I was moving, but I didn't wanted to release it at that time because of some family sad moment. And yeah, those were the stairs to go to the rooms upstairs, and this is the entire area. So this is the dining area, and I know it's full of boxes and stuff right now. It's because my family started moving stuff before I came from work, so I didn't get a chance to film it when it was completely empty. And this is the kitchen area, and as I said, it's an open kitchen. There are cabinets here, there are a little bit cabinets here, and dishwasher and sink on this side. So yeah, this kitchen does not have too many cabinets, but that's okay. I can keep the storage stuff downstairs. So yeah, this is the view of the living room from kitchen area. I'm planning to have a chandelier there, but let's see. So this is the laundry room, and it has enough space, so I'm using this space for my extra kitchen stuff, like utensils and some spices, extra spices or something. So I'm just putting everything here. And on the other side of the laundry room is this bathroom. This is a full bathroom with standing shower. So yeah, and then we have one bathroom upstairs. So downstairs is the basement. It's a one big area. There's no room, just the laundry room and a full bathroom. And we are using this space as our entertainment room or family room, you can say. Now as we come upstairs, the first thing is to the left is the washroom. This is the washroom with two sinks, and it's with a bathtub. And just behind the bathroom door, inside the bathroom, is this closet. This is the linen closet, and I'm sorry I didn't realize that my finger is blocking some of the view of from the camera. Then here is another closet. This is also a linen closet. And this is my bedroom, and right now it looks so big. Not so big, but it looks like pretty decent size right now when it's empty. And these are the two closets. This is my closet, and the other one is for my husband. So just across my bedroom door is my mom's bedroom, and this bedroom is also a pretty good size bedroom. It's enough for one person, and the closet is also very spacious. Although this room is the smallest among all three rooms in this house, but I think it's a pretty decent size for her. So just after my mom's room is the third and final room, which is pretty much the same size as my room, and it's been shared by my two sisters right now. And this room also has two closets, so it's easier for them to keep their clothes and everything. And yeah, so that's it, guys. This is my home tour, my first home, and I feel so blessed, Alhamdulillah, for everything. And I'm happy, I'm excited to spend time here, make memories, and spend time with my friends and family. So yeah, guys, that was my home tour video for my first home, and I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And if you have any suggestion for decoration, don't forget to comment below. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.